this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from Zenpop. You can head over to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider and get yourself one of these. This is the April 2021 box, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. So when you crack into one of these things, the first thing you're going to see is one of these thank you notes. No, thank you. And you're going to see this super snazzy info sheet. It has information on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 varieties that are contained within. Remember, if you don't have the ability to read Japanese or understand the pictograms or things like that, you're going to want to keep this, because if you don't, you're not going to be able to cook these noodles. And that would be sad. All right, so I'm going to go through each and every one of these and give you a little bit of info about them. All right, we've got a Sapporo Ichiban Toyama Shiraibi Shio Ramen, and it mentions this is a new one, and it's got a lot of shrimp going on in it. Sounds good. I really like Shio, so we'll see what happens. Next up, we've got a fancy ace cook variety. This is their Kyoto Buru Tankatsu Shoyu Ramen. Let's see what they say here. Try this Kyoto Buru back fat shoyu ramen, a pork-based soy sauce soup dish with spices and added richness of back fat, inspired by the local ramen enjoyed in Kyoto. Next up, we've got Myojo in collaboration with Mode Gakuen. Friday Garlic Tankatsu Shoyu. It says, we do love to see new collabs. One of the best ways to enhance and combine unexpected flavors. And here we are, tasting the delicious Myojo and Mode Gakuen garlic noodles. Actually a partnership with a vocational school. Vocational school, huh? And here's a variety from Marushan. This is a Niku soba. Have you had soba buckwheat noodles before? Oh yeah. Even if this is your first time, or you're already a big fan of soba noodles, or not, you will love this soup. The name umaitsuyu means delicious soup, literally, but it doesn't say umaitsuyu. I don't know, but it's Niku soba. Next up, we got another Myojo variety. This is Akasaka Erensura Tanmen. It says here, we are delivering you this special noodle made under the supervision of a luxurious Chinese restaurant in Tokyo named Akasaka Eren, said to be the origin of this type of hot and sour noodles. Here's another Sapporo Ichiban variety. This is Kuze Fuku Shoten Shio Ramen. Wow, Kuze Fuku Shoten Shio. Kuze Fuku Shoten is a high-end grocery select store. So it's a special tie-in with a grocery store, and it's a shio, so cool. And so this is Ufo Yakisoba. Now the deal is, at least from what I'm getting from what I'm seeing on the package, in the pamphlet here, it says it tastes exactly the same. One is white and it's limited edition, and then the other one's red and stuff. But basically, what I'm thinking is that all the colorings that they use to make the yakisoba look like it usually does are not in this. So it's going to be white, which honestly, that's not such an appetizing look, I don't think, but hey, something different, whatever. All right, so in this, the April 2021 box, you get Tanmen, Seibura, some shio, Niku soba, something for people in vocational school. Sounds like a shrimp shio, and kind of a ghosted yakisoba. A thank you note, and your invaluable information sheet. Well, yeah, if you want to get one of these, this is a neat box. Head on over to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount, and yeah, you'll be rocking and rolling. All right, and hey, and this has been
Miles.
And this has been
Mimi.
This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.